Hi, I'm Sherwin. Welcome to my YouTube channel to learn this dance called Find the Beat. It is a 4-wall intermediate level, 32 counts. It does have a couple of restarts, one easy little tag, and this is choreographed by Fred Whitehouse and Jean-Pierre. So let's get started. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our right foot and do a little kick. Kick and stepping slightly back with an out, 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 out. Right knee is going to pronate in, and as you recover, you turn to a 130 slight angle and get your weight on your right. Counts for that goes 1 and 2, 3, 4. Going into a samba with a little bit of a twist, you're going to cross your left foot over, left, right, left, so you shift your corner, right, left, right. So it's a cross ball change or a samba. Counts for that first count of 8. We have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So you're still at this corner, 130, and all of your weight is on your right foot. Immediately going to step on that left foot for an and 1. Step left and touch your right. And 1, step on your right, sweeping your left around, 2, into a weave, staying on this corner, back, side, front, quarter turn, following your left shoulder, it's a little pivot, rolling your hips back, so that first quarter is going to get you to your other corner, and then a little more than a quarter, 3/8 of a turn to get to 6 o'clock. So those are 2 hip rolls, moving back and around counterclockwise, okay? So we've just finished our cross ball change samba. We take and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Putting those 2 counts of 8 together. 6, 7, 8, we have 1 and 2, knee 3, weight on the right foot, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish at 6 o'clock for your next count of 8. I'll stay here to do the dance, this section of it, and then I'll flip it around so you can see it. So you're weighted on your left. You're going to take a right, left, out, out. And 1. You're going to take your head and look to the left. 2. Both your shoulders and your hips are going to roll. 3, 4. Left foot in, step, cross, step, sailor with a quarter turn, behind, side, forward. I'm going to do it again at this wall with some counts, and then I'll flip it for you. So you've just come around with your quarter turn, you're weighted on your left, the right foot goes, and 1, look, 2, roll, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. With my back to you, you're weighted on your left, you have, and 1, look left, 2, roll, 3, roll, 4, and 5, out, 6, back, side, slightly forward. Okay? One more time at this wall. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when we do it the first time, it'll be here, yeah, dun, 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 and your sailor will then get you to 9 o'clock. This is going to be our next wall. So we're going to take 2 walks forward, left, right, triple or shuffle forward, left, right, left, rock, recover with your right foot, rock, recover back, and then 2 little step taps traveling back, right touch left, left touch right. Counts on that for the walks are 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, rock, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. That leaves your right foot ready to go kick, out, out. Okay? And that's the whole body of the dance before we add the little tags and the restarts. So I'm going to go back to the beginning. I'm going to walk it through, and we'll go at 2 walls so you get different directions. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2. Knee 3, 4. Samba 5 and 6. Samba 7 and 8. Step, tap. 2. Weave 3 and 4. Quarter roll those hips. 6 o'clock and out, out and look. Roll and roll. Step, cross, step, side. Sailor 7 and 8. Walking 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. Go again. 1 and 2. Drop 3, 4, 5. Corner 6, 7 and 8. Step, tap. Stay on the corner. 3 and 4, 5, 6. 3 o'clock. 8. Out, out. Look left. Roll 3, 4. Step, cross, out. 7 and 8. Walk 1, 2. Cha, 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 rock, recover, and tap, and tap. And then you start again. Okay. So, as I said, there is a tag, and the tag happens at the end of wall 4. So you've got your walls, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're finished 4, you're going to be back here, back at 12 o'clock. So I'm going to show you the tag. So you would have just finished, obviously, with the very last step. You've done your step, tap. Your right foot is free. You're going to step to the side. 1, and you do a sailor. 2 and 3. Bring your right foot behind like a lock and pop that left foot up. So you're doing a little lock side. Boom. And you're here. Okay? So do that with me again. It goes 1, 2, and 3, 4. A volta turn 3/4 getting to that wall. The counts are 5 and 6 and 7. You're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, and you're going to actually just left. And on count 8, you're supposed to do like a woo, and you go woo on that count at the end of the volta. So the tag does 1, 2, and 3, 4. 5 and 6 and 7, woo, kick, out, out, okay? That, as I said, is at the end of wall 4, so you'll be facing 12 o'clock, but now it gets you over here to 3, okay? And then you start the dance there. Now, there are 2 restarts that happen in the dance, and they happen during the 3rd rotation and during the 7th rotation. And it happens 20 counts into the dance. So where is that? The 20 counts is after you've done the bump, 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 roll, roll. And that's where the restart happens both times. So the only trick of that is that when you go and 1, 2, 3, 4, we usually kind of end up on our right foot, yeah, because we go here. You want to keep your weight on your left. So you have and 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I bring it around, I'm going to shift it here so I can do my kick to start it again. Okay? So if that happens during wall 3, we've got 1, 2, 3. Let's take it through and do it and add it in there. So starting at 6 o'clock from the top, this is for the first restart. 6, 7, 8. You have 1 and 2, drop 3, corner. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Here we go. Bump, bump, bump. Okay? So that was during 3. Yeah? And then this is wall 4. So it's actually at the end of wall 4 that your tag is. So your tag will be over here. Okay? And then you're going to move it around and you do it again at 7. So where I said the tag was last time, I kind of messed that up a little bit because of the restart. So the tag will be, wall 4 is actually starting here, so you'll tag it there. It will make sense when you hear the music, I promise. And then you do the same thing again, exact same spot during the 7th rotation, and you can really hear it in the music. Okay? So, we're going to try this with some music. Now remember, this is also a fast dance. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you can slow it down by going to the little wheel where you have the settings, tap that settings, and it'll give you a place where you can slow it down. So you can bring it down a little bit or a lot of it, whatever you need to practice it a little bit more slowly. And then when you have it, you can go full speed, all right? And while you're doing that, make sure you subscribe. Okay, we're gonna go back to the beginning. Have a little music. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6. Kick it out. 1 half out, up and down. Turn up. Step tap. Sweep. Out, out. Take forward. Tap it out and start again. Kick it out. Change that angle. Tap it out to the corner. Roll it around. Out, out. Walk it out. This will be your restart ball. One more 4.
Everybody keeps
Start it again. 1. Now back up. Walk it out. Here's your tag. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Volta, 6, 7. Woo! We're at 6 o'clock. Another tag coming up.
Everybody keeps
Here we go. I said tag, that's exactly just a restart. Here we go.
Everybody keeps looking.
Here's 6. Cross it over. Walk forward.
Keeps looking.
Yeah, okay. So, what you saw at the end there, it goes into everybody keeps looking. So as soon as you go da, da, boom, on this very ending, you step forward. And if you want to do a little keep looking, you can, but it gets you forward to end it right on that extra beat at the end. Whew, my breath. That's a fun dance. So, that's how we do Find the Beat. And I hope that you will help other people find my channel and let people know about this. Like the video, please share the video, make comments. I love that. I would appreciate that. And subscribe. I teach regularly in the Los Angeles area. I hope to see you there or somewhere else on the dance floor. Take care.